Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make milk-made recipes. We'll start by discussing the importance of choosing the right milk, as its fat content significantly impacts your final dish. Then, we'll cover essential techniques like tempering, which prevents curdling and ensures a smooth consistency. You'll learn to create delicious, creamy results every time, whether you're making a rich sauce or a delicate dessert. Get ready to elevate your cooking with these simple yet crucial tips. Achieving perfect milk-based dishes involves a few key techniques. Always heat milk gently to prevent it from scorching, which can impart an unpleasant flavor. When making sauces, continuous stirring is crucial to ensure a smooth, lump-free consistency. Remember to incorporate other dairy products slowly into hot mixtures, allowing them to gradually adjust to the temperature. These steps will help you create beautifully textured and flavorful meals. Even experienced cooks encounter challenges with milk-based recipes. To prevent curdling, always add acidic ingredients like lemon juice or vinegar at the very end of cooking. If your sauce is too thin, simply reduce it further over low heat or whisk in a cornstarch slurry. Unfortunately, scorched milk is best discarded, as its burnt flavor is difficult to mask. Knowing these solutions will save your dishes and your time. To truly master milk-made recipes, don't be afraid to experiment. Try using alternative milks, such as oat or almond, to introduce new flavor profiles and textures to your dishes. For extremely delicate preparations like custards, a double boiler provides the most gentle and even heating, preventing scorching. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep exploring new recipes. Also, for more great deals and to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below for the link and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.